overcame my biggest depression of life, the death of my mother. Welcome to Relax and Manifest by KPKC. Today I want to share a deeply personal story about how I overcame the darkest period of my life when my mom passed away. Losing a loved one, especially a parent, is one of the most profound losses we can experience. I hope my story brings you some comfort and hope if you are also going through the similar situation. Even now, while speaking, I'm in my tears, but I just wanted to share so that you can also come out of that depression that comes with the losing of a loved one. It was a day that changed my life forever. The moment my mom passed away, just lying beside me in a fraction of seconds, but we couldn't do anything. We couldn't believe that she has passed away. We started pushing her heart so that she could be revived. We were so depressed, we didn't know what to do. It was the end of Corona. Still no one was ready to come to even confirm that yes, she is no more. As the time passed, we could make out that she is no more. There was no heartbeat, there was no pulse. She was not responding. It really shattered my whole world. She was my rock since my childhood, my guide and my best friend. She has always been a motivator, a person to buck up me every time I would lose or I am not able to ride a bicycle or I am not able to study. Or if anything happened in my job where I felt very disheartened, she had always buckled me up. My best friend, my everything, my whole world gone. The grief was overwhelming and I could feel a profound sense of emptiness and despair. The world around me totally changed. I felt as if why I am there, why I am living when my mom is not there. For weeks or months I was in sadness. It was so difficult to get out of the bed. I was not able to sleep. I used to shake at nights. I used to get up. I was not able to eat properly or to find joy in anything. I felt why the trees are there, why this world is there, why I am here. The weight of depression was so heavy and I felt in the loss in the sea of sorrow. My first step towards healing was allowing myself to grieve. I realized that it's okay to feel the pain and to mourn. Grief is a natural response to loss, and it's important to give ourselves permission to feel it guilty. Time is the biggest healer. I cried, I talked about my mom, I wrote down my feelings in a journal. I cried a lot. I cried in the bathrooms. I cried alone because I couldn't show my cry or my sadness to my children. Grieving is a personal process, hence there's no right or no wrong way to do that. Each of us must find our path through this pain because we have to get out of this pain. All of us are not alike. Everyone has a different kind of a feeling to lose someone near and dear. Somebody comes out quickly from that because they are so strong emotionally. Since I am very emotionally weak, so this was the biggest turn in my life. One of the crucial steps in my healing journey was to seeking support. I reached out to family and friends who understood my pain. Talking about my mom and then sharing her memories, keeping her spirit alive, gave me some comfort in life. I sought professional help because I had to. There was no way out. I was so grief sickened. Therapy provided a safe space to express my feelings and navigate through this complex emotion of grief. Sometimes the guidance of a trained professional can make a difference significantly in your life. But then I turned to meditation and yoga practicing. Then, in the middle of this, my grief, I searched meaning and purpose. I wanted to honor my mom's memory in a way that felt significant. I began to engage in activities that she loved and that we had enjoyed together. Eating together, cooking her favorite recipes, volunteering for causes she cared about. My way of keeping her spirit alive. I found the solace in spiritual practices. That's why I have started my channel to help people to relieve them from anxiety and from pain and the suffering that they go through with such loss. Meditation and prayers and connecting with nature provided a sense of peace and helped me feel closer to my mom. I went for walks on daily basis. Healing is a gradual process and it is important to be patient. I learned to embrace the small moments of joy and gentle be with myself in those tough days. Over time, the pain of loss became more manageable and I started to find a new sense of normalcy. I realized that moving forward doesn't mean forgetting. It means finding a way to carry the love and memories of our loved ones. And they continue to live in our lives. My mom's love and lesson remain with me, guiding me every day. If you are also dealing with the similar situation, do remember, time is the biggest healer. Just keep the memories, good memories alive in your heart. And you have to live for your family, for your children. So keep that in your mind. I really wanted to share with everyone so that the one who is suffering from this pain might get some relief. Thank you so much. Let's together make this world a better place to live and release our anxieties and such losses in life. Thank you so much and God bless you all.